Welcome back to Best Trading Tips. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful technical indicators in trading, the DeMark indicator. This indicator is a game changer for identifying potential reversal points in a market trend. So, let's dive in. Go to the indicator section and select the indicator. Let's start the session. Trade with confidence. Trade with us. Join our professional team of expert traders and start making consistent profits. With our proven strategies and expert guidance, you'll be able to identify high probability trades and maximize your returns. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your trading and achieve financial freedom. Sign up now and start trading like a pro. Let's go. First, what is DeMark indicator? The DeMark indicator, developed by Tom DeMark, is a technical analysis tool used to spot trend exhaustion and potential reversals. It's widely used in stocks, Forex, and crypto markets to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Unlike other indicators that rely on moving averages or volume, the DeMark indicator focuses on price exhaustion and trend strength, making it unique. How to use the DeMark indicator. How to use it in trading. One of the most popular ways to use the DeMark indicator is to identify potential reversal points in a market trend. We can also use the indicator to confirm trading signals. Common mistakes to avoid when using the DeMark indicator asterisk. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using the DeMark indicator. One of the biggest mistakes is over-relying on the indicator. We should always use the indicator in conjunction with other forms of analysis. Another mistake is failing to confirm trading signals. We should always confirm our trading signals with other indicators or forms of analysis. That's it for today's video on the DeMark indicator. We hope you learned something new and useful. Enjoy session.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.